How to hack your sleep. Sleep is the golden chain that ties health and our bodies together. Every one of us suffers from insomnia at some point in our lives. It could be triggered by stressful periods in our careers, a personal crisis, fear of an upcoming event, or worrying about finances may keep us awake and restless. Feelings of guilt or grief are another culprit. Whatever the reasons that keep you tossing and turning, you know how it feels to drag yourself out of bed in the morning. You are sapped of energy. Your body aches and your brain is foggy. You feel irritable and grumpy. Your sleepless night is going to reflect on your whole day, and not for the better. Biohacking is the solution to beating sleep deprivation issues once and for all. It's totally safe, easy, relatively cost-free and guaranteed to help you overcome stubborn sleep issues. The biohacking tools you're about to discover will help you easily change and regulate your individual sleep patterns. They will help you tailor a plan that will result in concrete changes to optimize sleep and improve your overall health and well-being. Incorporating these biohacking techniques into your lifestyle will make the changes permanent so that you can always be assured of sound, restful sleep. Do you eat a lot of fatty fish to improve your brain health? Do you use essential oils to relieve stress and boost your mood? Perhaps you follow a diet high in antioxidants or work out regularly to improve your cardiovascular health. If that's the case, then you are already a biohacker. In fact, most of us are biohackers in some form or another without even knowing it. What is biohacking? Biohacking is the process of making changes to your lifestyle habits in order to hack the body's biological functions and achieve positive health changes. Biohacking is simply do-it-yourself biology. Simple changes, such as in diet, exercise and sleep habits, are made to improve health, safeguard from disease and overcome issues like sleep deprivation. Biohacking is an experimental process because not all body cycles and rhythms are the same. Some people may respond to certain hacks, while others will not. Therefore, it's a process of trying out different hacks to find out which one works best for you. This absolutely does not mean experimenting with your body in any way that can cause harm. The tools are perfectly safe to play around with and see which ones, if not all of them, improve your sleep. Sleep scientists tell us that it's not the number of hours that matter. It is the quality of your sleep that is essential for physical and mental health. Many people sleep for 7 to 8 hours a night but still wake up feeling drained and unrested. This is because the quality of their sleep is poor. They are unable to enter into the state of deep sleep that relaxes and rejuvenates the body. Quality sleep means waking up energized and filled with vitality, regardless of how many hours you have slept. This needs to be your main focus, not just falling asleep, but sleeping well. We can use a number of safe and natural biohacking techniques to improve our overall sleep quality. These will help you overcome insomnia, fall asleep faster, improve the duration of sleep, improve the quality of sleep, promote deep, restful sleep. Always remember that nobody knows your body better than you. You will know what works best for you by how you feel. You will be able to measure the results by how much your sleep improves. First, banish blue light. Science tells us that light from the blue side of the spectrum disturbs the brain's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleeping and waking. Exposure to blue light sources, especially in the evening, can drastically disturb your sleep. Blue light can be light coming in through the window, as well as light from regular and LED bulbs. Digital screens including PCs, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and TV screens are also a huge emitter of blue light. This hack is simple. Keeping all light out of your bedroom is the fastest and most effective ways to improve sleep. There are several ways you can do this. Use blackout curtains to completely block out any daylight from filtering in. This is especially beneficial for late sleepers and people who work night shifts and sleep during the day. A low-intensity amber night light is fine if you absolutely cannot sleep in a totally dark room. These types of bulbs do not give off blue light. A good idea is to install dim amber lights in the hallway as well for those trips to the bathroom. This will help you quickly fall asleep again when you are back in bed. Invest in a blue light filtering sleep mask. However, note that your whole body absorbs blue light through the skin. If this hack doesn't work for you, you will need to try the blackout curtains. Ensure that your home lighting is sleep-friendly. Our body starts producing melatonin a couple of hours before we go to bed, making us feel sleepy. However, too bright lighting in the home, as well as television and computer screens, can inhibit the production of melatonin. Keep your home lighting dim. Amber or red and yellow spectrum lighting is the best choice, and don't watch TV or sit in front of the computer directly before going to bed. This is because when your skin absorbs blue light, it starts producing cortisol, a hormone that increases alertness and weakens the effect of sleep-inducing melatonin. Wear amber-tinted glasses during the last 3 to 4 hours of daylight. This is another simple hack that supports dim light melatonin production. This technical term means the production of melatonin during evening hours. Amber-tinted glasses are glasses that have yellow or orange lenses and are very inexpensive, but they could be just the hack you need for better sleep. They are available on Amazon in a variety of styles, as well as elsewhere online. Become aware of the blue light sources surrounding you during the evening and banish them. This hack should give you fast results where you induce an improvement in your sleep in a few days. Second, invest in a sleep app. Sleep apps are scientifically designed to give you a good night's sleep. They are easy to use and contain diverse features to choose from and experiment with, which is what we are recommended to do when biohacking. They are crafted specifically to calm your brainwaves and create a relaxing experience that helps you drift into restful sleep. Optimally, it will help maintain restful sleep throughout the night. Sleep apps typically give you a choice of audio recordings of soothing sounds that calm the brain and induce sleep. These include the sound of soft rain, ocean waves, wind rustling through trees and other nature sounds. Some apps offer guided meditation, white noise, and various ambient sounds. Some apps also offer a wide range of relaxing classical and contemporary music, so there's something for all tastes and preferences. It's fun to experiment with these different sounds and find the ones that best hack your sleep. Other features include dashboards that display sleep patterns and percentage of quality sleep. Some apps can even measure snoring. If you are artistically inclined, apps like Recolor allow you to create brain-relaxing artwork. You are provided with a specific color palette designed to calm anxiety and promote sleep. A number of apps contain hypnosis tracks to calm and relax the brain. It's fun to experiment with these different sounds and find the ones that best hack your sleep. Other features include dashboards that display sleep patterns and percentage of quality sleep. Some apps can even measure snoring. If you are artistically inclined, apps like Recolor allow you to create brain-relaxing artwork. You are provided with a specific color palette designed to calm anxiety and promote sleep. A number of apps contain hypnosis tracks to calm and relax the brain. Most sleep apps are free for both Android and iPhones. Helpful tip: white noise, in general, is a great sleep inducer and numerous studies back this up. It keeps your brainwaves steady, helps maintain sound asleep all night. If you choose not to use a sleep app, you can easily access white noise with a fan. A ceiling fan or a regular fan will work equally well. Simply keep it on all night. The sound will lull you to sleep and the consistent whirring will help sleep deeply throughout the night. Try out a couple of the free apps ones first. If you enjoy using it and get good results, great. If not, you haven't needlessly wasted any money. Third, sleep-friendly food hacks. We all love food, and luckily, this food hack includes foods that everybody enjoys. This hack allows you to get creative and prepare dishes that are not only delicious but will also help you sleep like a baby. The following is a list of sleep-friendly foods that have been proven to be highly beneficial for sleep. Incorporate them into your diet, especially at dinner time, and be amazed at how the quality of your sleep improves. Kiwi fatty fish, salmon, tuna, halibut, mackerel, cherries, avocado, poultry, leafy greens, especially spinach, nuts, especially pistachios, almonds, and walnuts, cheese, chamomile tea, starchy foods, potatoes, yams, plantains, peanut butter, bananas, oatmeal and cereal. These foods contain tryptophan, an amino acid that produces serotonin, a hormone that relieves stress, promotes calmness and uplifts the mood. They also contain the all-important melatonin. Eating these foods regularly promotes what scientists call sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene means the food habits that we develop, especially before bedtime, to promote sleep. Best of all, the foods above are not only well-liked by most people but can be combined in salads, desserts, casseroles or eaten on their own on a daily basis. Make it a habit to eat at least one or two of them at every meal, but especially dinner time. A handful of nuts, a small bowl of oatmeal or a banana make great before bedtime snacks too. I think you would agree that practicing food hygiene is one hack that is easy and enjoyable. So, get creative. Play around with sleep-friendly foods and see which ones make the best sleep hacks for your body. Don't sabotage your sleep by indulging in the following foods: coffee, soda and energy drinks, which are all high in caffeine. Even non-cola soda contains caffeine. Chocolate, spicy foods and chili, peppermint, alcohol. Alcohol may make you drowsy for a while, but in fact, it is a big sleep disruptor. Alcoholic beverages will make it difficult for your brain to enter into the deep sleep cycle necessary for quality sleep. High-fat foods and salty foods. Foods high in water content such as watermelon and cantaloupe. This is not to say that you must cut these foods out of your diet permanently. Personally, I wouldn't be able to function without my morning cup of coffee. Just try to limit them to daytime hours in order to prep your body for a good night's sleep. If you must have that hamburger or bag of chips, have it for lunch. Make it a rule to abstain from sleep-disrupting foods from noon onwards. To be continue, on the next video. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you for our next video. See you on the next part of the video. Goodbye.